let's implement this view page of details page. Actually, after clicking this link, this details route need to be implemented. So need to write few function in pins.js file. Let's delete all other tabs. Let's copy this portion and paste it here, and this will be the details page, and we need to pass the ID of that pin. So I need to find out a single pin. So ID parameter we need to pass to the database so that we can query request params.id, and this need to be executed in the database server dot exec, and the callback function need to specify few parameter is error comma found pin and parentheses. If not error, then need to render the details page. So pins/details dot ejx, actually this page we will create and need to pass a model pin, single object. This found pin we will pass in that page. Let's implement details.ejx file. Here we need to show the pin detail information. So copy this layout and paste it here so that master page will be invoked automatically in this page. Let's write few HTML tag element. Now writing div tag and copy this, and need to specify a class container. Inside div tag we need to paste the div tag again, and here actually you can move fast because now I will write some HTML code to represent the pin. This is the card of Bootstrap card, and the style width I'm specifying 30 rem, and here another div tag. Actually here we need to specify an image. Okay, class card image top. So this image will be positioned in the top, and this is a image tag, not div tag. At the end I need slash, and source will get from the server the pin dot path equal space. Here pin we are passing and pin dot path, and inside div we need to specify title and the description. So here div class is card block. You can get this HTML from Bootstrap page. I am just following whatever is specified in Bootstrap. So here is the header, and class is title, card title. So inside this header tag we need to specify the pin title. So copy this portion and paste it here, and this is pin.title. Okay, so far so good. Need to specify the paragraph tag. Here need to specify class description to write, actually card slash text, card dash text. It will give us the description CSS to look beautiful. So pin.desk, this will be displayed in this paragraph tag. Now need to write edit link and save link, save icon. Let's specify this div at button group, because and this will be positioned at the right. So here we are I am specifying pull right. So this is anchor tag and the class is button. Button default. So href is, it will redirect to the pin save page. So slash pins and name it pin dash save. This route link we will write in pins.js file later and need to pass ID. So copy this pin title and replace this title with ID underscore ID. So inside this anchor link I need to specify a icon, save icon, like star icon. From font awesome we will need to specify font awesome inside the layout file, the master page. So this is the span tag, and class we need font awesome is shortcut is FA. Anyway, let's specify a button, edit button we need to specify here, so that after clicking this edit button the user will be redirected to the edit page so that pin can be edited. So this button is button dash default. The CSS we are giving as default, and href, the link we are giving pins slash edit slash the pin ID we need to pass here. So copy this pin ID and place it here. Let's name it edit, save, and let's see this page. Refresh this page, you can see not good looking. Let's beautify this page, need to provide few style. So let's write style tag and specify card CSS need to apply. Let's dot card. So this file card we are detecting, and we are giving the margin 0 auto, so that it can be positioned middle of this page. This is the only intention. So float is null, it will not be floated, and the margin bottom, the dash bottom, how many pixels? 10 pixels. Let's see how it looks. Now look good, middle position, but this not good. Let's find out font awesome CDN, because we need to see the font icon of that star. Let's see, open a new tab. Let's copy this CSS path and go to layout.egx file and place it here. So this font awesome will get. Let's go to details and let's call an icon FA and we need to give a condition. If here pin is saved by a user, then we will show that icon is bold mark. If not saved, then the star icon will be normal without filled up. Let's see with my implementation. If here pin is saved, this is the if condition, then we will show this fa-star value will be placed inside this class. Otherwise fa-star-o, and the font will be large fa-lg. Let's see the demo. Let's refresh this page. Here you can see that. Let's remove few files.